Hey guys, welcome back to Homebrew India. If you're new here, thank you for coming, and if you would like to learn more about brewing and fermentation, please consider subscribing to the channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the new recipes which are coming up soon. So today, we are making one of the easiest fermentations of all time. It was actually my first try at fermentations. Today, we are making apple cider. What's that, you may ask? Apple cider is a beverage made from fermented apple juice. If you want to start fermentations, I think apple cider is one of the best recipes for you to start with. All the equipment that I'm using today are linked in the description box. So let's start with our cider.
So to make the apple cider, today we'll use store-bought apple juice. Please check the ingredient list for any sorts of sulfites, sorbates or any other kinds of preservatives before purchasing. That's because those kinds of preservatives won't allow the yeast to convert sugar into alcohol. Here I have about a liter of apple juice in this jar. Everything is sanitized, and if you want to know how to sanitize your equipment, please press on the I button. I'll pour some into a glass to make the yeast starter. This will speed up the fermentation process a bit. Simply mix about a teaspoon of active dried yeast and keep it aside for a while. Until then, let's add 100 grams of sugar with juice from half of a lemon and shake the demijohn vigorously. Coming back to the starter, we can see that it has risen. The yeast is happy, and let's pitch it into the juice. The initial gravity is 1.084. Don't know why do we check gravity? Check out the video on it by clicking the I button. Now let's put an airlock on top of it and keep it in a cool dark place for about 3 to 4 days. The airlock is filled with the same sanitization solution. Temperature plays an important role in fermentation. High temperatures will give a fast fermentation but with some off flavorings, and low temperature environments may slow down the process. It's roughly 35 degrees Celsius where I live, so it will be done in 3 to 4 days. So it's been 3 days and the bubbling in airlock has stopped. Let's siphon it from the demijohn to a jar so that we don't have to disturb the sediment down below. I'll siphon it to a flip top bottle so that I can drink it later. Remember to sanitize the bottle too. So our apple cider is ready, and the final gravity is 1.045, which gives us an alcohol content of 5.2%. Time to try it now. On the nose, I can smell some apple tartness and also the sweetness of apples. There's a less smell of yeast as compared to watermelon wine. It's sweet, well-rounded and citrusy taste. Some tartness and slightly bitter aftertaste. I'm sure it will be best when chilled.
So that's it for this video guys. If you liked the video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.